In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable zoom on Shopify. If you've ever browsed an online store and noticed that hovering over a product image causes it to magnify or zoom in, you'll understand that this feature, while helpful for some, might not be preferred by every store owner. Perhaps you're looking for a cleaner look, or maybe your product images are already detailed enough without the need for a zoom. Whatever the reason, today's guide will walk you through the steps to disable this zoom feature on your Shopify store. First things first, let's navigate to the Shopify website. Once you're there, you'll see an option to log in. Click on this to proceed. If you're already logged in, that's perfect. You can skip ahead. If you're not, simply enter your credentials. Remember, your shop's success begins with these foundational steps, ensuring that you are securely logged into your account. After you've successfully logged in, you're directed to a page where Shopify might prompt you to choose an account to continue with. This is common if you manage or have access to multiple Shopify stores. Select the account related to the store you wish to modify. This directs you straight to your Shopify dashboard, a central hub for all your e-commerce activities. Upon landing on your Shopify dashboard, look for the online store option, which is located on the left sidebar. This is your gateway to customizing your store's appearance, among other features. Click on it to proceed to the next step. After clicking on Online Store, you'll find the Customize button, which leads you to the theme editor. This is where the magic happens. Shopify's theme editor allows you to customize the look and feel of your store without needing to dive into the code. Once inside the theme editor, navigate to the home page, or find the specific page you'd like to disable the zoom feature on. However, for our purposes, we're focusing on product pages, so you'll want to click on Products, followed by Default Product. This will bring up a template for default product pages where the zoom feature is currently enabled. Within the product template, select a product as an example to preview the changes you'll make. This is where you'll effectively see the zoom feature in action before you disable it. Now for the main event disabling the zoom, look for the option named Open Lightbox, which is essentially the trigger for the zoom feature on your product images. Upon clicking this, you'll be presented with an option to disable the zoom. Select No Zoom from the options available. This action disables the image zoom feature for the product images on your site. And just like that, you've successfully disabled the zoom feature on your Shopify store. It's essential to preview your changes to ensure everything looks as expected. If satisfied, don't forget to save your changes. This final step is crucial as it applies the changes to your live store. A quick tip before we wrap up. While it's tempting to rush through these steps, take your time to preview how each change affects your store's user experience. Sometimes small adjustments can significantly impact how potential customers view and interact with your products. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to disabling the zoom feature on your Shopify store. This action can streamline the look of your product pages, making for a cleaner and perhaps more mobile-friendly browsing experience for your customers. Remember, the goal is always to make your store as navigable and user-friendly as possible, so feel free to revisit and tweak these settings as your store evolves. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Whether you're looking to refine your store's design, increase its accessibility, or simply prefer your product images without the zoom functionality, the control is now in your hands. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials to help you make the most out of your Shopify experience.